You might as well stop the video. It's just going to be maths after this.
But that's the crucial point.
Alright. Okay. With a wave. Okay, so the velocity of the wave, so the speed of light, is equal to the frequency times by the wavelength. Okay, so we've just measured that. This chocolate bar is in the microwave. This is the wavelength. So this point to this point is exactly half a wavelength, and that was 6 centimeters. So the full wavelength is 12 centimeters, or 0.12 meters. Okay, so the wavelength is 0.12 meters times by the frequency. If you look on the back of the microwave, is 2.4 gigahertz, which is the same as 2400 hertz. So if you times 2.4 million by 0.12 equals oh, stupid, got the equation wrong.
This is actually turning into quite a long, boring video in the end.
Yay! I don't want my face. Okay, the velocity of a wave is equal to the wavelength times by the frequency. We know from looking at the back of the microwave, the frequency is 2.45 gigahertz, or 2,450,000,000 hertz. You can times this by the wavelength, which is 0.12 meters, double the 6 centimeters between the two melting spots in the chocolate. So if you times 2.4 gigahertz by 0.12 meters, you get 2.94 times 10 to the 8 meters per second, which is the speed of light. Something very clever physicists spent half a century trying to calculate.
They probably didn't have microwaves back then though.
Yeah, they could have used the same method.